Hello everybody. So it seems Bitcoin has decided to drop further. So yeah, this shark pattern here, this one is now invalidated. As I said in my previous video, if we would close below this low, which looks it will be the case today, then this is invalidated. So and yeah, it's not really bullish anymore. We lost also this green long-term trend line. So for the moment, I marked it out here in the text box. So we have the daily support for the moment, which is holding, and then also here we have the yearly R1 from last year, and that's where we did bounce off from. So all the algos which were selling here from the R3 from last year, they might close out their shorts since we reached the R1. So yeah, for the moment, it doesn't look like this one is going to hold. We might, who knows, we might get a bit of a rally over the weekend to retest this green line and then to get a rejection from it. But also looking at the MACD, you can see we started to print a red bar, so it's quite likely there's still a continuation to the downside. So yeah, if we go further down, then yeah, what regions are we looking at? So here I did find quite a lot of confluences, but the disadvantage is that it's quite a big price range. So here in purple we have the monthly support, which dates back from the beginning of last year. This is also the regions, if you follow Chart Champions on YouTube, then you will see that this is the region they're looking at for support. So the low we made over here is 28,726. So the monthly support is 28,955. If you would draw a volume profile from 20k to 42k, then you would have the point of control at 27,500. Then another one here we have is the S1 pivot for this year. So the traditional and the I use both traditional and Woody, so that would give you this block, which is between 25.5 and 26.2k. And then if you would see current price action as an ABC correction as they teach in Elliott waves, then we have the 1-to-1. So this would be your A, your B, and then down to your C. So the 1-to-1 is at 24.2k. So all in all, quite a big range. This is so 24.2 up to 29. This is a $5,000 range. So yeah, it's hard to say. What might be is that indeed this monthly will hold, but that maybe we will wig down here into this green support zone, just to let the algorithms load up their bags before we can go. So let's maybe draw this one out. So from out of the support box and then upwards. Yeah, I think that's it for Bitcoin. So I thought that Bitcoin would rather follow gold and silver because they are doing quite well for the moment. So if I just quickly take the chart, you can see nice uptrend. Then here we have silver. Okay, it's more volatile, but also nicely going upwards. But no, instead I was following the S&P 500. So we're coming down, down, down. So it shows that so sometimes Bitcoin follows the tech stocks. Sometimes it follows gold. So there's not always a clear correlation, but now it's clear that Bitcoin is seen as a technology stock, let's say. And since the tech stocks are coming down for the moment, Bitcoin is also coming down. So, yeah. So what my view is on the S&P 500, that will be for another video where I discuss the traditional markets. Then let's have a look. Dash, the trade we have going on here. Altcoins, they still look reasonably good. Bitcoin cannot go much more down, or all the structures will also be invalidated. So here you see Dash in the red, but not stopped out yet. Ethereum, also here we still have this crap and bat pattern. So the in my last video, I believe it was drawn up to here, yeah, the low of the 10th of January. So we did come lower. It did not invalidate the pattern, as you can see, but it's also, if we close out below X, then yeah, then it doesn't look so good anymore. But for now, it seems to hold. Ethereum, Bitcoin, yeah, also here the pattern is still intact. XRP, same here in the red, not stopped out yet, so we didn't take out this low from the 4th of December. So yeah, let's have a look at the algo trading. So for Bitcoin, now it's coming down. So the trailing stop is at 42,450. If we close above that, then we get a buy signal again. So you can also clearly see that we are in a bearish market, because here you can see the 16 bars, how long that period is. That's the average time we stay in a trade. We're above the average in a sell zone. So that's bearish. Also here from the top, we were there much longer than the average. So that's yeah, bearish. And then if you would have a look here we were still in nice uptrends. Your uptrends were much longer than your bearish trends. So now we get the inverse. Here we got the buy signal for only a couple of days, and then we were selling again. So Ethereum, yeah, same story here. So 3,384, that's what we are looking at for the moment. So Solana, yeah, as I said in my previous video, it looked like it wanted to come down to the 0.886 support. So the candle looks quite nice, I must say. Got nicely bought up. So here we're gonna have to see in the coming days what reaction will be. What is a MACD saying? We just start painting some red bars. I see here on OBV, yeah, the bullish divergence didn't work out. That's not, yeah, that script is not always very accurate. So yeah, Solana still an interesting one to watch. And then, oh yeah, and for the algo trading, so 157.27 is the region to watch. And then XRP sell signal nicely coming down, but as I said before, this low hasn't been taken out, so you still can see this as a triangle formation which starts to build up. So maybe we can go for a trend line like this. And let's mark this one in green. Let's see for the resistance. I don't think that one will be that nice. Oh well. Resistance, we popped out, got rejected, smashed back below the resistance line. Here we tried again, find resistance, and we're coming down again. So yeah, that's so for now, yeah, okay, we're selling off, but it still holds the structure. So, but also here, there's not much margin to the downside anymore. So then regarding the trading account, we didn't look at it for quite a while. So let's see, Ethereum, we're short unrealized profit of 1,400. So for the moment, our USD value is 3,300. So that means it's we increased. So the initial balance was 1,000. So this is already up 3 times. Then let's have a look. Bitcoin. So here 896 in virtual profit. And this would bring us to a total value of almost 2,900. So here we did almost 3x with the algo. And then XRP. So for a moment, $94 in profit, but this one with the algo, it did not go so well. This is $500, so we lost half of it. But yeah, as I mentioned in the beginning of when I started making the videos, actually I only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum with the algo. That's where most of my money is in. Actually, I don't trade altcoins with the algo. Just for the purposes of making the videos, I've included some altcoins. In the long run, for XRP, it outperforms the buy and hold, but the fact that it doesn't perform so well during a bull run means that most of the money is made in a bear market. So yeah, but I can tell you, Bitcoin, Ethereum, those two, they're really performing very well. All right, good. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.